Have you ever wished for a simple yet transformative addition to your daily routine that could elevate both your hair and skin game? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the incredible world of argan oil, a beauty elixir hailed for its remarkable benefits. Join us on this journey as we unlock the secrets to harnessing the everyday magic of argan oil. From tackling dryness to enhancing radiance, we've got you covered. Stay tuned for a bonus tip later in this video, where I'll reveal how argan oil can effortlessly simplify your beauty routine. So, buckle up and get ready to discover how to use argan oil for hair and skin benefits every single day. Hey, it's Ray from Ageless HealthXhub, a channel for skincare enthusiasts who value a holistic approach to aging gracefully. If you have ever been overwhelmed by the plethora of hair and skincare products available, you may feel overwhelmed and in need of guidance on what truly works. That's why I have spent a lot of time researching and testing these ingredients. In this video, I'm going to share some insights about argan oil to help you decide if it is the best choice for you. Originating from the seeds of the Moroccan argan tree, argan oil has been revered as a hair and skincare secret for ages. The argan tree's fruit must be carefully harvested as part of the thorough extraction procedure. To maintain the strength of the oil, the kernels are meticulously picked by hand, dried in the sun, and then cold-pressed. This age-old technique adds to the remarkable quality of argan oil while also preserving its originality. The abundance of nutrients in argan oil is what really sets it apart from other oils. Rich in linoleic acid, vitamin E, antioxidants, and important fatty acids like omega-3 and omega-6, argan oil proves to be a powerful nutrient for skin and hair. Together, these components moisturize, heal, and shield, providing a comprehensive approach to beauty. Argan oil's versatility is unparalleled. All skin types can use it because of its lightweight, non-greasy texture, which promotes excellent absorption without blocking pores. This information holds significance for individuals with oily skin who may have believed they couldn't incorporate argan oil due to such concerns. Actually, argan oil proves to be a game changer for those dealing with acne. Its non-comedogenic properties ensure it doesn't clog pores, while its anti-inflammatory nature helps soothe and heal existing breakouts. Incorporating argan oil into your skincare routine can provide a natural and effective solution for acne-prone skin. Discover the benefits of argan oil that defy aging. It may help to prevent wrinkles and promote skin suppleness because it is rich in antioxidants and vital fatty acids. With the deep moisturizing qualities of argan oil, you can say goodbye to dry and cracked hands, lips, and feet, leaving your skin feeling smooth and nourished. Use argan oil for skincare to fend off dryness and attain long-lasting moisture. It locks in moisture and may minimize the appearance of stretch marks by penetrating the skin deeply. Revel in the natural radiance that comes from well-hydrated and nourished skin. Use argan oil to protect your skin from the sun's damaging rays. Because of its antioxidant qualities, it naturally guards against dry patches and sun damage. Excessive sun exposure can expedite the onset of signs associated with aging skin. When your skin is exposed to the outdoors, adding argan oil to your skincare regimen can be an essential step in keeping it healthy and glowing. Argan oil's anti-inflammatory properties extend beyond skincare concerns. As a result, it is a great remedy for a variety of skin conditions and irritations because it speeds up skin healing. Use the calming properties of argan oil to promote healing and bring back the natural equilibrium of your skin. Argan oil's brightening properties can help with hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone. Its organic qualities leave your skin looking refreshed and youthful, while also helping to achieve a more even complexion. When it comes to the benefits of argan oil for hair, it's not just about aesthetics. It's a comprehensive care routine that addresses various concerns. Let's delve into how argan oil becomes a hair savior, tackling everything from soothing a dry scalp to transforming your locks with deep conditioning and thickness improvement. Argan oil serves as a soothing balm for a dry scalp. Its hydrating properties help alleviate dryness and flakiness, promoting a healthier scalp environment. Regular application can address discomfort associated with dry scalp, leaving your hair roots nourished and revitalized. Benefit from the strengthening properties of argan oil to shield your precious strands from damage. The argan oil creates a barrier to defend against environmental stressors, chemical treatments, and heat styling tools, lessening their harmful effects. Argan oil may be your protector against everyday wear and tear, allowing you to have thicker and stronger hair. Say goodbye to unruly hair. For people who struggle with unruly hair, argan oil's inherent ability to manage frizz is revolutionary. Use a small amount on your hair, then allow the argan oil to do its magic to leave your tresses frizz-free, manageable, and silky. You can also use argan oil to give your hair a delightful spa-like treatment. Its deep conditioning qualities make your hair feel supple and silky again by penetrating the hair shaft and replenishing moisture. Say hello to a silkier texture and goodbye to dry, brittle strands. Experience a transformation in your hair's overall texture and thickness with the consistent use of argan oil. Rich in essential nutrients, it nourishes the hair follicles, promoting healthy growth and enhancing both the texture and thickness of your hair. Unleash the full potential of your locks with argan oil's revitalizing touch. Having acquainted yourself with the extensive list of benefits that argan oil offers for both hair and skin, let's now explore seamless ways to integrate this versatile elixir into your daily beauty routine. Start your day with a gentle cleansing routine, using a mild cleanser or soap to remove impurities. After cleansing, apply a few drops of argan oil to your face and neck, gently massaging it in. The oil's lightweight texture ensures quick absorption, providing a natural and nourishing base for your skin. Follow up with your regular moisturizer for added hydration. As you moisturize, the oil works to promote skin elasticity, leaving you with a radiant and youthful complexion throughout the day. Argan oil stands out as a remarkable and versatile solution when incorporated into hair care routines as a shampoo and conditioner. To use argan oil as a shampoo, begin by wetting your hair thoroughly. Apply a small amount of argan oil, massaging it into your scalp and hair. The oil's natural cleansing properties will delicately remove impurities without compromising your hair's natural oils. Rinse thoroughly to reveal a refreshed and nourished foundation. When used as a conditioner, argan oil takes hair hydration to the next level. Rich in fatty acids and vitamins, it deeply penetrates the hair shaft, promoting optimal moisture retention. Apply a generous amount of argan oil to the lengths and ends of your damp hair after shampooing. Allow it to sit for a few minutes, letting the oil deeply penetrate and hydrate each strand. Whether used separately or in combination, argan oil as a shampoo and conditioner duo promises a transformative experience, revitalizing your hair with each application. Throughout the day, you may combat frizz and add shine to your hair by applying a small amount of argan oil. Run your fingers through your hair to distribute the oil evenly, focusing on the ends. By applying a light layer before heading out, you may ensure that your hair stays protected and looks vibrant throughout the day. At nighttime, give your hair a rejuvenating treatment by applying a generous amount of argan oil before you go to bed. Focus on the ends of your hair, allowing the oil to deeply condition your hair overnight. This intensive treatment helps repair damage and leaves your hair feeling soft and revitalized in the morning. As you wind down your evening, consider incorporating argan oil into your nighttime regimen by indulging your skin in overnight hydration. Apply a few drops to your face and neck, allowing the oil to work its magic while you sleep. Wake up to a refreshed and deeply moisturized complexion, ready to face the day ahead. As mentioned earlier in this video, I have an extra tip that will revolutionize your beauty routine. Simplify your regimen by integrating argan oil as a versatile standalone product or as the ultimate step in your daily ritual. The all-in-one nature of argan oil removes the necessity for various products, streamlining your routine for increased efficiency. Elevate your existing skincare and hair care items by incorporating a few drops of argan oil. Blend it seamlessly with your moisturizer, conditioner, or foundation to enhance and magnify their nourishing properties. This bonus tip not only simplifies your routine, but also maximizes the benefits of argan oil across your beauty regime. Tailor your argan oil usage to suit your specific needs. For those with oily skin or fine hair, a minimal amount may suffice, while individuals with dry skin or coarse hair may opt for a more generous application. Experiment and find the balance that works best for you. Explore additional oils renowned for their anti-aging benefits for both hair and skin by watching these videos next. If you found this information valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ageless HealthXhub for more insightful tips. I look forward to connecting with you in the upcoming video.